You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. Whoa, we're so close to Halloween and I'm so excited. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite Halloween treats. It's chocolate covered pretzel sticks. Whoa, I like them so much because when I bite them, and I eat them, yum, yum, yum. Oh, they're so delicious. Delicioso. Whew. Hey, what's your favorite Halloween treat to make? Oh, that sounds really delicious too. Well, for the chocolate covered pretzel rods, we're going to need chocolate melting wafers, some sprinkles so that we can decorate them, and some pretzel rods. Whoa, they're gonna be really yummy. So what you're gonna do first is you gotta get these little wafers. You see, they're a little different than like chocolate chips. They're flat, so that makes them a lot easier to melt. And you can dip your pretzel rods inside so that you can eat them. Hey, should we try one of these chocolate wafers? Whoa, it's so yummy. It's just chocolate. Chocalate. Woo, I'm so excited. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour some of these inside the bowl. Plato. That looks like good enough. Okay. And now what we have to do is we have to melt the chocolate wafers. Do you think that you can say a magic spell with me? Remember, it's close to Halloween, so you got witches, brujas, ghosts, fantasmas, vampires, vampiros. So, we're going to say a magic spell to melt these wafers. Are you ready? Let's get our wand so that we can say our magic spell. The magic spell is going to be Hocus Pocus Shazam. Do you think you can say that with me? Okay, let's count to 3. Tres. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hocus Pocus Shazam! Whoa! It worked! It worked! I didn't think it was gonna work, but look! It worked! The chocolate melted! Whoa! Usually, when it's not Halloween time, I have to use the microwave in order to heat the chocolate up. Calentar el chocolate, that way it can melt. But this time, by saying our magic spell, it worked! Maybe it was because you said the spell with me. Hey, are you some sort of witch or wizard? I gotta keep my eye on you. Well, now the next thing we're gonna do is let's get our spoon, cuchara, and let's stir the chocolate a little bit. Okay, that looks really creamy. Look. Whoa! Yeah, that's gonna drizzle very well on our pretzel rod. What we wanna do is we wanna cover the pretzel rod, most of it. You know, we wanna have a little area where we can hold it so that the chocolate doesn't melt in our hand and we can eat it. I'll show you in a little bit. But before I do that, I'm gonna get my sprinkles. I have all kind of different Halloween sprinkles and I'm gonna pour them inside this bowl, Plato Hondo. So when I'm done coating the pretzel rod with chocolate, I can just roll the pretzel rod inside the sprinkles and it's gonna look so cool. Which sprinkle should I use first? I think I'm gonna use these. Whoa! These bounced all over the place. I made a mess. Boy, oh boy. Well, maybe I should pour them a little slowly. Wow, I didn't know that was gonna happen. All right, I think that's enough. So now, let's get our pretzel rod, and remember, hold it about right here. And you need to get a grown-up to help you because the chocolate, Chocalate, it's hot, Caliente. And you don't want to accidentally burn yourself or anything. So all we do is we put the chocolate all around the pretzel rod. Yummy. It's really easy. All right, that looks pretty good. You see, I covered the whole rod with chocolate. But it's still melted, so you gotta be careful when you hold it because you don't want the chocolate to spill all over the place. Now I'm gonna get some of these sprinkles and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top. Or you can get the chocolate, the pretzel rod, and just roll them around in the sprinkles. Oh, do you see that? Look. Oh, look at the little balls. Do you know what color these little balls are? Yeah, they're black, negro, and they're orange, Anaranjado. Great job. These are Halloween colors. So, just gonna get my hand and kind of sprinkle them around. Oh, they're bouncing all over the place. Whoa, I like that. That looks yummy. And what I did was I have a little bit of cooking, a cooking sheet or cooking paper right here. That way I can put my pretzel rod on top and it can dry. You want to wait until the chocolate dries so that when you eat it, the chocolate won't be so melty and messy. It'll be a little hard. All right, well, let's make another one. Well, I put the chocolate on the last pretzel rod. Now, let's put some sprinkles. These sprinkles are red, rojo, and black, negro. Look at this Plato Hondo. It has a lot of different sprinkles in there. Maybe we should just roll this inside. We're gonna call this the Crazy Sprinkle Pretzel Rod. Whoa! It has so many different color sprinkles. It looks so yummy. Hey, do you want to say another magic spell with me? This magic spell, I like it a lot because what it does, it cleans, limpiar, whatever mess is in your area. So the spell goes, limpia, limpia, por favor. Can you say that? Limpia, limpia, por favor. Yeah, like that. Okay, on the count of 3 in Espanol. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Limpia, limpia, por favor. Whoa, whoa, it worked. It worked. I'm so surprised that it worked. Whoa. I really think it's because you're helping me say the magic spells that they're actually working because I tried that in my room, mi cuarto, it didn't work. I tried that in the bathroom, mi baño, it didn't work. I tried that in the kitchen, la cocina, it didn't work. But right now, because you helped me, it worked. Whoa, cool. How many pretzel rods, chocolate covered pretzel sticks do we have right here? Well, count them with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 chocolate covered pretzel sticks. Whoa, yummy. Should I eat all of these at one time? Probably not because I don't want to hurt my tummy, mi estómago. If you eat too much candy or sweet stuff at one time, you can get a tummy ache and I don't want that. That's called a dolor de estómago. No, thank you. I don't want a tummy ache. I want to enjoy my pretzel rods. Yummy. Well, before I eat them, I have to let them dry. I have to let them get hard or the chocolate get hard. Chocalate. So I gotta wait. And we'll come back and we'll try them. Duro, duro, por favor. Oh, finally! Oh, my gosh! I've been saying duro, duro, por favor. That means hard, hard, pretty please, forever. Well, maybe for a few minutes, but finally, it got hard. The chocolate, chocolate. Está duro. I think the reason why my spell didn't work is because you didn't help me this time. Oh, that makes sense, right? Oh, I should have asked you to help me say my magic spell to make the pretzel, to make the chocolate hard, duro. Sorry about that. Maybe next time. Well, since the chocolate is hard, now I can actually try it. I'm gonna try this one because it has all kinds of different cool sprinkles on it. Look, it has, whoa, purple, morado, it has black, negro, red, rojo, green, verde. Oh, so many cool colors, colores. All right, let's try it. Whoa, that's really yummy. Whoa. Now I remember why these are my favorite Halloween treats. Wow, I really hope you have a chance to make your own. I'm gonna put the directions and the ingredients that you need so that you can make your own Halloween chocolate-covered pretzel rods. Silly me. So maybe you'll get a chance to make your own pretzel rods at home and enjoy my favorite Halloween treat. Hey, be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you can keep learning with me. M-I-K-E-Y. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. I really hope you have a happy Halloween and make sure that you're safe. Bye. Adios.